I have a question for some YouTube viewers out there. Maybe you can help me. I just came across this video, and it's not in English. And it's about this guy's bike. The only problem is that this thumbnail image, unless this guy has spent a lot of time copying my exact engine, that's my engine. That's my silver plastic Dio back cover that I wrecked the chrome on, so I had to paint it silver. That's my Sudco carburetor, which I painted the Cayenne on it. I don't know if you can see that. And the red tape on the back velocity stack. That's my 55mm water-cooled thing, and that this is also my cable. And then Steve from VT sent me this really cool little Honda Kickstarter. Now, unless this guy, whoever the video belongs to, has built an exact same engine of mine, and the whole video, of course, doesn't show an engine like this at all, then someone's using my pictures. I just wonder if that was legal. And that's the name of the site. I guess he's got 19,000 views off of my thumbnail. I don't even know where he got the thumbnail at. But I've been building these engines for so long, that's one of my babies. Alright, anyway. If anyone has any comments, thank you.